temperature's rising to the point that you don't feel safe in that car anymore, then maybe trying to work your way onto the roof. But that in itself could be a hazardous procedure.
Mounting a rescue in fast-flowing water is risky and dangerous.
If the car is unstable, we want to get Ben out of that environment. We could have debris coming down the flow, which could hit us.
You won't attempt to jump off the car until we see it. On here. And right, straight in. Everybody okay? Yeah, back.
Ben was fortunate. He was in a controlled environment. When it happens for real, in the biggest of all floods, it quickly becomes truly terrifying. This footage, shot by a dashboard camera, records the moment that a street becomes a river of floating cars. They are all caught in one of the biggest tsunamis ever recorded. Kesennuma City, Japan, March 2011. A magnitude 9 earthquake triggers the massive tsunami. Traveling at over 50 miles per hour, waves as high as 135 feet obliterate seawalls, rip down houses, and sweep cars and boats away. One year later, Ben surveys the shattered city.
Today, Kesennuma is a ghost town. Many of its residents among the 20,000 missing or dead.
Rob Mangold, an American aid worker, was one of the first on the scene.
The only thing I can compare it to is the atom bomb, pictures of Hiroshima and Nagasaki afterwards. Just like they'd taken a whole city, dumped it in a blender with an equal amount of mud, put in a bunch of boats and everything else, and then just dumped it all back out. There was no shape left. Just miles and miles of muck 2 meters deep.